Hello pool players, Ron here. We're going to go ahead and break down a couple of 9-ball racks that I ran last night back to back, and I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about something about the instinctual play that I've been talking about here recently on my within my last video. So let's go ahead and start this up and take a look at what we're doing. I'm going to use a cut break here, and I actually hit this a little bit too far to the right on the 1-ball, and that's why the cue ball went downstream, and of course didn't have a shot on the 1. So as a result, I'm going ahead with ball in hand here on this first rack. And I got to tell you, if I go ball in hand lately with this instinctual play that I've been experiencing, I've been running out a lot, more than 50% of the time. So that's good. I'm seeing some advancements in my game as a result. So what I'm doing here is, once again, I'm not aiming. All I'm doing is making sure that my body is in position, and then, while I'm on the shot, and then trusting my stroke, and then making a smooth stroke. So here, I just ran straight ahead. I needed a little angle on this 5-ball to get an angle on the 6, because I want to put the 7 in that upper right corner, and I hit it real well here. In this one here, I want to hit this a little thin because of the angle, kind of cheat the pocket a little bit, and then draw the cue ball back. And once again, I'm instinctually shooting here, okay? I'm trying also, this is another thing I've been working on, I've been trying to shoot speed racks. And those of you who know about speed pool, basically just going through a rack as fast as possible, but not out of control. And that's what I'm kind of doing here, is I'm trying to go as quickly as possible, staying in rhythm, and but not going too fast, because you do have to take that time to settle your mind and clear the clutter. I talk about that all the time, and that's part of this instinctual play. Here, notice that let me stop that a second, and in fact, let's back that up just a little bit, because I want to show you something here. When we'll go right to there. So watch how my pre-shot routine is on this specific shot. This will give you an idea of how important it is, and I do it precisely with this. It's my best fundamental on this video for as an example. Let's just take a look at it here. So notice how I step behind the shot, I look at it, I'm aligned as I'm above the shot. Now I just make a nice smooth stroke, and I pocket it perfectly into the side pocket. So important, you guys. You have to line your body up before getting down on the shot. If you do this and then trust your instinctual feel and just execute a smooth stroke, you will pocket shots way more often. Your consistency will just soar. Okay, so here we're on the second break. There again, hit too far to the right. I'm gonna have to work on this and make sure that I hit that cue ball, or hit that 1-ball a little bit better. I got a good look at the 2 though, so as long as I can see a ball, I can usually get position and run out. And just to let you know, I had 10 9-ball racks last night, and I ran 6. I'm really coming around right now, and I attribute that to this instinctual play. Okay, so it's pretty easy from here on out. Now this one is a little tricky, because I was dead straight, and I had to roll ahead because I wanted a back cut on this 6-ball to get to the 7, because it was a cross table. A little bit risky to roll towards that side pocket, but I hit it perfectly. And here I'm going to draw over to the 7, and I'll have a nice angle on the 7 to draw to the 8. So I just wanted to share this with you. Instinctual play, step into the shot line, trust your stroke, let your intuition shoot the shot, your feel, and you're going to have greater success as a result. If you guys have any questions or comments on this video, please leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone like always. I want to spur some debate on this, because I'm sure a lot of players, do what I'm doing right now. Thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.